Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Rachio smart sprinkler firmware with Rachio app. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Rachio app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, locate your Rachio device. Tap on your device to open its settings. Look for the option labeled Firmware Update. If a firmware update is available, you will see a notification. Tap on Firmware Update to initiate the process. Follow the on-screen prompts to start the update. Make sure your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi for a stable connection. The app will begin downloading the firmware update. This process may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, the app will prompt you to install the update. Confirm that you want to proceed with the installation. The update will now be installed on your Rachio device. Do not close the app or exit the installation process. You will see a progress bar indicating the installation status. Wait until you receive a notification that the update is complete. After the update finishes, your device will restart. Check the firmware version displayed in the app to confirm the update was successful. Once confirmed, you can return to your main dashboard. Your Rachio smart sprinkler is now updated and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.